friends, welcome to our new video. In this video we will be covering exercise 1.3 of arithmetic progression, which is under part 5. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please go and watch it in our channel. So this is the 8th sub question, which is given as an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2 and sn is equal to minus 14. We have to find what n and a here are. Now let us use the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. En given here is 4, a is not given, so let us keep it as a only. Similarly for n, and d here is 2. So on simplifying, it is around like this. A plus 2n is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. Now let us solve for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, minus 14 is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. So this is n upon 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 2. Here we know that a is equal to 6 minus 2n. So we will substitute here the value of a such that minus 28 is equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus 2n minus 2. We will subtract the whole equation by 2 so that it becomes minus 14 is equal to 5n minus of n square minus 5n minus of 14 is equal to 0. So now let us solve the equation, that is n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. When we do the subtraction, that is minus 7 plus 2, it is minus 5, and minus 7 into 2, it is around minus 14. So these two are the suitable factors. Now taking the common n, plus 2 minus 7. Now n minus 7 is common in both of these terms. So n minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies n is equal to plus 7, n is equal to minus 2. So the sum of the terms is never negative. So we will exclude this one, and n is equal to 7. This is the right answer. So now we know that n is equal to 7. Now let us find what a is. So substitute the value of n in equation number 1. So a is equal to 6 minus 2 into n, that is 2 into 7. A is equal to 6 minus 14 and a is equal to minus 8. So we have found out what a and n are exactly. Now let us solve the 9th sub question, which is given as a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, sn is equal to 192, and we have to find what d is. We will use the same formula, that is sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is given, that is 192, n here is 8, 2 into 3, that is 6, plus 8 minus 1, that is 7, d. 192 divided by 2 is equal to 6 plus 70. 96 minus 6 is equal to 70. 70 is equal to 90, and d is equal to 90 upon 7. So this is the final d. Common difference here is d. So now the 10th sub question. In this question they have given that the last term here is 28. So L is nothing but an, which is equal to 28. Sn here is 144. That is nothing but S9, because n is equal to 9 and S9 is equal to 144. We have to find what a here is. We will use the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus an. Sn here is 144, n is 9 by 2, a plus 28. 288 divided by 9 is equal to a plus 28. We will go for calculation, that is equal to 72 is equal to a plus 28 and a is equal to 72 minus 28. which is equal to 44. So here the first term A is nothing but 44. So a small mistake here. Here it was 32. So A is nothing but 32 minus 28, which is equal to 4. Please note the correction. A is equal to 4. You can verify the answer by substituting it in this equation and then finding Sn. So that you can do. Now let us find the fourth question's solution. The fourth question here reads as, how many terms of AP 9, 17, 28 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So here n is not given. S of n is equal to 636. A here is equal to 9 and D here is equal to 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. Sn is equal to n upon 2. To A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have to find n. We know Sn is equal to 636. Let us substitute. Is equal to n upon 2. 2 into 9, that is 18, plus n minus 1 into 8. Okay. Now let us multiply this. 636 is equal to n upon 2. 18 plus 8n minus 8. 636 into 2 is equal to n into 10 plus 8n. Okay. This 10 plus 8n. Now let us take, in this 636 into 2 is equal to, we will take 2 as common. So 2n is equal to 5 plus 4n. 2 and 2 will get divided on both of the sides. 636 is equal to n into 5 plus 4n. We will simplify it again. 4n square plus 5n minus of 636 is equal to 0. So here the two factors are 53 and 48. So it is 4n square plus 53n minus of 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. And we will take it as common. Here it is 4n plus 53. And here we will take common as 12. So it becomes 4n plus 53, which is equal to 0. 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0 again. N here is equal to minus 53 upon 4 and n here is equal to 12. So n cannot be some negative term or some fraction. So n is equal to 12 is the right answer here. So n is equal to 12. So friends, this was all for today. The remaining questions will be covered in the next parts. If you liked today's video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you require videos on any other topic, please comment in a comment box. By that we'll come to know. So thanks for watching till now.